So before we start the examples here in the main course category of problems, I want you to notice that I've also included down here in this box on the right hand side the properties of logs that you learned in the last lesson on how to solve log equations using properties of logs. So anyway, for the main course problem number 1, we have the log base 2 of x plus 4 minus the log base 2 of 2x minus 3 is equal to 4. And using the properties of logs, now remember, we can't, well, let me back up. What we first want to notice is we have a log, and no log. So we have no log over here. That's what makes solving this log can't even talk. log equation different than solving the log equations in objective 12C. In 12C, something over here would have been like log base 2 of something. And so, again, it makes it different because we want to combine these two logs on the left-hand side using the properties of logs. And let's go ahead and do that. So the difference of the logs is the log of the quotient. So using the properties of logs, then we get our equation in the form that we're looking for. Again, what we're looking for is log of some base of some number equals something else. So we have to have that before we use this relationship between logs and exponential functions or equations. So that we have that now. We have the log, we have a base, we have an argument, and then we have this number on the other side. So all we're going to have to do is to rewrite this using exponential form, and we get 2 raised to the 4th power is equal to whatever the argument is. And the argument is x plus 4 over 2x minus 3. Now let's go ahead and simplify the left side. 2 to the 4th is 16. And then we're going to solve this equation, we're going to have to multiply both sides by the denominator. So we get 2x minus 3 on both sides. 2x minus 3. I'm running a little bit short on room, so I won't show every step, but these two expressions cancel out. The 2x minus 3's cancel out. And then we get the 16 distributing to both terms. So we get 32x minus 16 times 3 is 48 is equal to the right side, which is x plus 4. And then subtracting x from both sides and adding 48 to both sides, we get 31x on the left. These guys cancel, those cancel. And we get 4 plus 48 is 52. And then dividing both sides by 31, we get x is equal to 52 over 31. Now, you might remember from the last lesson that when we solve log equations, we have to make sure we check to see if it's okay to plug what we got back into the original equation. So 52 over 31, clearly that's a positive number, and we add another positive number, so that checks out there. But then over here, we're going to multiply 2 times 52 over 31, so we're going to get 104 over 31, and we're going to subtract 3 from that, and 3 would be 93 over 31. I just want to make sure that's going to give us a positive number, which it does. 104 minus 93 over 31 will be a positive number. So I put 2 check marks because I checked that solution, 52 over 31, in 2 places. So 52 over 31, therefore, is the solution to the original equation, and we are done with that one. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to stop this video at 4 minutes and then probably be able to do the next 2 examples in the main course section in the next video.